Hi everyone, how are you guys? I'm in my mother-in-law, but she's still my mom, backyard, and I'm gonna give you a little tour. This here is a fig plant. Look at all those figs. I hope that we get a chance to ripen. We're in Canada, so I don't know if they'll get a chance to ripen, but that's so good. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you around. Down here we have some parsley, some basil, some beautiful plants. Behind me is a cherry tree, which we've picked so many cherries off of, and the birds have enjoyed the rest. Over there, right there, is a cucumber plant. Let's walk over. Here. Down there. There's a lot of female flowers, a lot of male flowers, no female flowers yet. But it's kind of yellow, so I think we're gonna give it a little bit of nutrition. I'll do that today. I don't have a tripod. So I'm sorry if this is shaky. Down there, some little tomato plants. Over here against the fence, this is a pepper plant, Calabrian chilies. There's an itty bitty chili. We have some basil, some more basil, another chili plant, more basil, because the end of August is tomato time, and we do all our tomato processing to make our jars of tomatoes. We usually do over 100 quarts. I think last year we did 150 quarts of sauce. So yeah, it's a big day and we need lots of basil for that. Here is the piece de resistance. It is the actual garden bed. It runs the length of the entire fence line, and I would say it's about 10-15 feet deep. So I'm just gonna kind of show you what we have here. Over here is some grape tomatoes, some peppers in there. She did so many seedlings this year that she didn't have the heart to throw them away. So she just kind of randomly planted them in places. That's peppers. And if they grow, they grow. Sorry, that's the air conditioner. These are all hot chili peppers for our chili oil recipe. I'm gonna put the link down below, but this is my father-in-law and mother-in-law's recipe. And these are all saved seed from year after year from my late father-in-law. Tomatoes are all here. Some tomatoes, grape tomatoes. We have something here. I don't know what this is. I don't see any fruit on it yet, so I can't tell you. It looks like a squash or a cucumber, that's for sure. These are all the beans. She grows beans every single year. These are all pole beans. Beautiful flowers. Fantastic flowers. Onions that are growing here. That are growing. Swiss chard. And more tomatoes here. These look like all cherries. And there's something growing back there. Looks like a squash of some sort. I love this planter by the shed. I think it's so adorable. It's a little girl sitting on a bench with her basket of flowers. I love it. There's a second one on this side. I absolutely love these. So some marigolds here, some geranium. I'm not sure, I think that's vinca, but I'm not 100% sure. This looks like Sweet William. I love this, so pretty. I want to save seed, so as soon as it starts to dry up, I'm going to try to save seed from that. I hope you can see over my shadow. So I bought this hula hoe for my mother-in-law because she was bending over to pull all the weeds, and she's elderly, and I did not want her to do that. So I got this hula hoe, and I'm gonna kind of show you how it works. So this is a hula hoe. This moves back and forth, and it's meant to cut the weeds at the root, so that way you don't have to try to pull them out, because that can be a pain in the butt. So how it works, I'm going to show you, is you just scrape it along, and it digs through the dirt, as you can see, and it cuts the weeds at the root. So you just drag it and push it, and it goes like that, and it makes weeding so much easier. And it cuts. I really like the hula hoe. It was not strenuous to use. It was quite easy, and it's lightweight. It does a fantastic job with cutting the weeds, and then you just leave them to compost in place. I actually really like it, and it was not expensive. I purchased this one on Amazon, and it was $15.99 when I purchased it on Prime Day. So it is not an expensive tool, and it is a back saving. Absolutely fantastic. I 100% recommend. Wow. I have to say, I love this thing. It works so well. So thanks for joining me today, friends, in my family's garden. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.